Hey everyone, Max here from Edgevana, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do non-custodial staking with Solana to Edgevana's own validator. In this video, I'm going to be using the Phantom wallet, specifically the Chrome extension. So to do this, what I'm going to do first inside of Phantom is go ahead and click on this Solana button. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on this Start Earning Sol button. And now on this screen, it's asking what validator we want to stake with. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Edgevana. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Edgevana. Now in this screen, it's asking how much Sol we want to stake to Edgevana. For this particular example, I'm going to click the max button. Now you might not want to stake everything you have in your own wallet. If so, that's completely okay. Just instead of clicking the max button, go ahead and type in the amount of Sol you want to stake. After you've done so, go ahead and click on the stake button. And now we're just going to wait for this transaction to finish, which should only take a few seconds. And there we go. We've successfully staked our Sol with Edgevana's validator. Thank you.